In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Meta AI to your WhatsApp group in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your group discussions with the power of artificial intelligence, or simply want to experiment with new technology, integrating Meta AI into your WhatsApp group is a seamless and straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp desktop app. Make sure that you have your phone handy because you will need to link it to either platform. This connection allows you to access all your chats conveniently from your computer, which you'll find particularly useful when adding new features like Meta AI. Once you're all set up on WhatsApp Web or the desktop app, navigate to the group chat where you'd like to introduce Meta AI. It's important to collect the participants where this AI will be beneficial. The group chat setting is where Meta AI will provide its insights and responses, so choose wisely. Now, within the group chat, move to the message field where you usually type your messages. This is where the magic happens. Type @MetaAI or @MetaAI, either version works in this context. As you type, a suggestion list should appear automatically. From this list, you'll want to select Meta AI. This step is crucial as it tells WhatsApp to prepare to engage Meta AI in your conversation. With Meta AI selected, you can now input your question or prompt directly into the message field. Feel free to inquire about anything you want Meta AI to address. Once you've entered your question or command, go ahead and press enter. This action sends your request to Meta AI, who will then analyze your input and respond within the group chat. The integration of AI at this point is smooth, ensuring that responses are both relevant and timely. Lastly, there might be an additional step to finalize the setup. Meta AI may prompt you to accept certain terms of service to function in the chat, especially if this is your first time using it. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure when activating new features and helps ensure that both you and WhatsApp are in agreement regarding the use of Meta AI. Simply read through the terms, and if everything looks good to you, go ahead and accept them. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to add Meta AI to your WhatsApp group. By following these steps, you can harness the benefits of AI technology right in your favorite messaging app. Whether you're using it for practical assistance or as a fun addition to your group communications, Meta AI is sure to enrich your WhatsApp experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy exploring the exciting possibilities that Meta AI brings to your conversations.